guys, Lewis here, hauling Manure today. Yeah, the ground finally hardened up by us. It's pretty nice. Supposed to get snow tomorrow, though. They're calling for 6 to 14 inches Sunday night into Monday. So that's one of those things we don't need right now, but it'll be funny, like everything's greening up and we get another snowstorm. Be like that April a couple of years ago, we got around 20 some inches and set the record. Yeah, we've been spreading on this cornfield out in the back here. Combined off last year in November. I hope everybody has a good Easter tomorrow. I know there's a big elephant in the room right now with the illness going on, and you know, everybody has been affected in some ways, whether you know, it's like directly, or like a family member that has gotten ill, or like with your job, or just you know, like for farmers, like a lot of commodity prices have all went down really fast. Been a lot of stress for everybody right now. But I know one thing I've heard is that like the times of stress make us stronger, so you know, we'll find out. I know one thing like I learned personally, and some of you know this, is that like a few years ago I had several brain surgeries to get a brain tumor removed that was causing seizures and stuff. And during that time, like that season of my life, one thing I learned is that there's nothing wrong with a grown man crying out to God on his knees, because you know, there's peace there, and that God can give you peace more than anything else, more than being like free from like this illness, or being wealthy, or free from poverty. You know, because there's peace in God. That's one thing I really learned during that time, and that's one thing I really encourage you guys to look at right now. If you're looking for an Easter service tomorrow, our church, Hillside Assembly, is having online services. The links will be in the description below. This Manure spreader has been pretty faithful to us. Of course, now I just jinxed it. and this is the second one we had. Before we had another 8114, and the only problem with it was the hammers seized up one time. They started like locking into like a position. Somebody else that had one had the same thing happen. They were telling us had to replace all the bushings on the hammers. So that was a big enough task. Dad did all of that. To see if I can squeeze one more load out before milking. It's getting close to 5 o'clock and that's milking time. I was talking to somebody and they were saying that they know a farmer that has like a lot of ground plowed up not too far from us, so they're going already. Hope everybody has a happy Easter. Take care.